That hypnotic swirl becomes bottled iced coffee, sealed, chilled, and ready to grab. Now rewind. It starts with beans. Beans arrive in bulk, then pour into a sealed intake system. Fast, clean, and controlled.
Quality control checks size, roast level, and aroma, because one bad batch can bully the flavor of everything. Industrial roasters tumble the beans through precise heat, developing sweetness, reducing harshness, and building that coffee backbone.
Cooling stops the roast on a dime. Too long and you lose aroma. Too short and you get sharp edges.
Grinding sets the extraction. Too fine turns bitter. Too coarse turns weak. This is where balance begins. Water is filtered and conditioned, because coffee is mostly water, and water absolutely changes the taste. Hot water meets the grounds and pulls out flavor compounds, acids, sugars, aromatics, everything you actually recognize as coffee.
Filters remove fines so the drink stays smooth. No sand, no sludge, just clean body.
The brew rests in sterile tanks while strength is checked, so every bottle tastes the same, not close enough.
Sweetener is dissolved into syrup, so it blends instantly and doesn't leave crystals hiding at the bottom. Milk or creamer is prepared separately, kept cold, kept clean, and ready to smooth out the coffee's bite. Now the parts combine. Coffee, water, sweetness, and creamer, mixed until the flavor locks into one consistent batch. Homogenization breaks fat droplets tiny, so your coffee stays silky and doesn't split into layers in the fridge.
A quick heat treatment knocks out microbes, safe to drink, without cooking the flavor into something flat.
Then it's cooled fast. Cold protects aroma, and bacteria don't get a chance to party.
While coffee chills, bottles get sanitized at speed. Clean inside, clean outside, ready for filling. Cold fill happens with millimeter precision, fast enough for volume, gentle enough to avoid foam and waste.
Vision systems check fill level and seals, and anything imperfect gets kicked out automatically. No mercy. A simple label goes on, and a date code is added. Pure function, no branding, just traceability.
Then it's boxed, palletized, and wrapped. Robots make it fast, gentle, and weirdly elegant.
From bean to bottle through a clean steel pipeline, then it hits the cooler, and it's yours. Twist, pour, and go.